What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. For this video, we are going to be reviewing a fire pit, and not just any kind of fire pit, a super high-end wicker fire pit. This thing has all the bells and whistles. It's 44 inches, 50,000 BTU. So let's go ahead and look at this a little bit closer and show you the installation process. It's like directions, super simple. You put the sides together, the base, the feet, and your metal in the interior portion. You screw it in. So after you're done mounting the sides, then you lay the top on, and I actually flipped the top upside down and then put the sides on and then screwed it in. It's all again in the direction. Super simple to put together. And here below, this is where you connect your propane tank right here. All the bells and whistles are in there, all the hoses, and right here down below, that's where you tighten it up so your propane tank doesn't go anywhere on you or shake around. As we can see here, we're out here right about after sunset or so. I have my wicker chairs set up right here, so it goes beautifully with it, with my outdoor carpet, my table. And as we can see here, I installed the glass. That is a wind protecting glass. We do get wind out here, and that gives it a beautiful fire flaring up just beautifully. Right there inside is we need to put a AA battery. That's the igniter switch there. We're gonna look at that a little bit more closely here in just a little bit in the video. Beautiful colors of stone, especially as the night sky is just reflecting right into it. Very beautifully made. Wicker all the way around. That's your door going into your propane tank. Super high quality gloss glass on the top with the wicker folding over the edge all the way down the back side of it there. Up to you if you want to put the knobs towards you, or if you want to put the knobs on the other side. I'll leave that up to you. On the right hand side, that is just fully wicker right there. Bria's out there playing around. Beautiful for snow time. As you can see, there's snow on the ground here in Colorado, but I really like that feature of the glass windscreen as it's blocking the wind coming in. As you can see there's my knobs down there at the bottom facing the chairs. Again, you can flip that around. And also don't forget about the cover, which is really nice. And even during a wind-whipped evening, this thing is going to stay on, being able to hit all four corners and droop all the way down, even with the windscreen of the glass here. So let's go ahead and pull this off, and let's go ahead and fire it up. Bria and I are out here on the deck, just enjoying a beautiful November day out here in Colorado. Number one, this is a stunning fire pit, and it matches my other color right over here, where this is the same exact color, the darker color, going with the darker gray wicker. And what I do like about it as well is even with the cover on or cover off, it's up to you if you want to keep this nice and squeaky clean. Very beautiful glass finish on top right there. Wicker right around the edge. And this is a must as well, especially for out here in Colorado. With the wind that we get, this blocks the wind, which is super beneficial for enjoying a nice little stream of fire, as we already saw in our nighttime shot, and as we'll see again right now. And I do like how there's a nice large lip on here like this. You're able to set down your hot cocoa, put your feet up. When the cover's on, I put my feet up, being able to stretch out my lower back while I just kind of hang out in the morning with my pup and drinking some coffee. So just open up your knob, put back on your door right there. And then as we can see right here, here is our igniter right here that takes a AA battery, and our turn knob pushing in and igniting it, and now we are running really strong. Another pro that I really enjoy about this fire pit is, I don't know exactly what color that is, emerald green, but those stones are gorgeous. Nice and long tube where the fire comes out, and that looks very nice on your deck, your balcony, your backyard patio. And even with a little bit of wind, I don't know if you can see it coming a little bit, that is able to block the wind right here, giving out a nice fire. Here we have right here is my partner in crime, Bria Binsberg, being able to sit up there and enjoy a nice view and a nice fire as well. Again, what I enjoy about this so much is the color schemes. It's a beautiful fire pit, very high end. I love the windscreen Obviously, if you don't want that, you can put on the top, which we have right here. This is a nice top to it here. And if you want, if you live in an area where you don't need the glass windscreen, you can go ahead and easily remove that. So you just have the bar and the rock. And then after you're done with it, you go ahead and lay that right over the covering hole there. I think it looks really sharp, and it is a must, especially out here where it gets a little bit windy sometimes during the day or nighttime. But that is a nice option. You don't have to have that if you don't want that. And just use that and go ahead and place that in place when you are ready to go. And then of course, after the fire pit has completely cooled down, lay your cover back over it if you want to go ahead and keep the elements off the wicker and glass. We do get some snow here, so I like how the cover is black. It looks really chic as it is covered, but when you definitely have company over, you want to expose this beautiful gray wicker. They do have other colors as well. I will link all those colors in the description box below. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, those links are going to be in the description box below of the video, right below. Bree and I are going to be hanging out here for a little bit longer, enjoying some nice sunshine and a little bit of nice warmth sitting by the fire. But guys, just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind, please hit that thumbs up button on your way out of the video. It helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate you very much. Also subscribe if you like videos like this and want to see more videos like this. Not to mention this 10-acre ranch farmhouse remodel, full remodel we're doing in the midst right now. Stay tuned for those videos. Once again, your links are below. Bree and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.